Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, N.P. Detailing. Today it is 29 degrees Celsius in the UK, in Leicester. Probably a lot hotter in London, but today it is now just gone 7:20 in the evening. Perfect car washing time, because if you do it in the day when it's roasting hot, you're going to get water spots. It's going to cause you problems, so don't even bother. And you look as dark as me, because you can see the tan on me. So today I'm working on this Golf R. Check it out. So I'm working on this. It is a maintenance detail. This is literally just come off a flatbed from a auction house. It's been sitting a long while, and I'll show you how I can tell that. You see the paintwork, see all the streaks of water. It's been just sitting there for a long while. The wheels, really bad. So yeah, this is quite bad condition, to be honest. Paintwork's dirty. Don't know if you can hear this. Really rough. You can see the algae along there and under the windscreen. And this stuff here looks like it's been sitting on a beach. Looks like sand. Nice looking car, but it's a shame. It needs some TLC. So all this whole side is going to be washed. I'm not going to do a clay bar on it, because then I'll have to end up possibly polishing it. And you can tell that it's been in auction. Look, got the X on there. So let's have a look at the engine bay. Okay, that's quite surprising. This car is only 10,000 miles on the clock. It's going to be sold. These will go like hotcakes. So yeah, 10,000 miles. Trader. The trader who bought that Merc I did a video on recently, 250. That one's for sale as well. So he's just bought another one for me today. This one has a flat battery on it, so it's got a brand new. Obviously VW has not even put the caps down. Brand new battery. Right, enough of the talking. Let's start washing. Here we go. So you can see the TFR remover. That is all traffic film, all dirt embedded in the paint, reacting with the traffic film remover. Back end is real bad. Wow. Absolutely covered. So, decontaminated, washed, and a lot cleaner. Right guys, it's now the next day in the morning. You're looking at about nearly 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I've just finished the golf. It did get a bit dark yesterday, plus it was really hot, so here's the end results. It's just a wash. Car had been sitting for a long while, so it had been sitting possibly in storage or maybe even outside, because it had algae on it. It had a load of stuff on it which shouldn't be there. Let's just drop the mic. So yeah, the wheels look a lot better, cleaner. There is some burnt on brake dust, but the customer only needs is a trader, so he's needed to sell quick. So yeah, it was really hot last night. Didn't get much sleep, so I woke up late today. So out first thing in the morning. Well, when I tried to get first thing in the morning. But all in all, it looks a hell of a lot better. If you remember the sand type stuff there, that was all embedded. So all in all, it needs a little bit of paint correction, but he wants to sell it, so it's not point in coughing up all that money getting paint correction when you're not going to make the most money out of the car. So it's just a basic wash. It looks so much better, so much whiter. But let's have a look at the engine. Let's take a look at the engine. So as you can see, all I did, it wasn't too bad, to be honest. It was just a little bit degreaser. Spray it down with a very fine spray. Never use jet washes, obviously, because you don't want to ruin the electrics. Work the degreaser in so it lifts the dirt, and then rinse it away. Once you rinsed it away, you can then dry it off. Once you dried it off, apply a nice little dressing, and it gives it a little bit of a sheen. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Obviously, been doing a Golf R, as I mentioned, been sitting a long while in storage, probably in some lockup somewhere for months. And when I say months, it was rough as hell. So it's gone today. Traders picked it up. It's going to sell it now. It looks about 33 grand for it. It's only got 10,000 on the clock. So Harbour Cars, if you want to get on their website, I'm sure they got a website. Have a look at it. Look at the car. But thanks for watching the video. It is really hot out here. 21 today. Last night it was about 29 when I was doing the car, and it's roasting hot. So didn't get much sleep, as you know. We don't get much weather like this in the UK, so make the most of it. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and add your comments below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when my videos are up. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.